The 2026 Buick Encore GX is officially rolling into dealerships. And while it keeps its familiar design, it still delivers a strong mix of style, comfort, and technology. If you're eyeing a premium subcompact SUV without moving into luxury brand pricing, this updated Encore GX might be exactly what you're looking for. What's new for 2026? For 2026, Buick keeps things simple with a carryover approach, focusing mainly on refining what already works. The biggest visible change is the new brilliant red paint option, giving the Encore GX a fresh splash of personality without drastically altering its established look. The trim lineup remains familiar: Preferred, Sport Touring, and Avenir, each offering its signature appearance and features. Sport Touring continues to add a sportier character with gloss black accents, while Avenir keeps the upscale vibe alive with exclusive detailing and premium wheel designs. Pricing holds steady in the mid to upper $20,000 for the base model and into the mid-$30,000s for the fully loaded Avenir. The affordability mix paired with premium touches is what keeps the Encore GX standing out in the crowded subcompact SUV market. Interior, tech, and comfort. Step inside and you'll recognize Buick's focus on comfort and quietness. The standard quiet tuning system reduces road and wind noise, giving the cabin a surprisingly calm feel for its size. Materials improve progressively across trims, with the Avenir offering perforated leather and classy quilted stitching. Technology is one of the Encore GX's strongest advantages. Every trim includes an 11-inch touchscreen paired with an 8-inch digital driver display. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto remove cable clutter, and available upgrades like a Bose premium system elevate the experience further. Practicality also gets attention thanks to flexible cargo space. With 23.5 cubic feet behind the rear seats and over 50 cubic feet with them folded, the Encore GX adapts well to everyday errands and weekend driving. Performance and safety highlights. Power comes from two turbocharged engines, a 1.2-liter for efficiency, or a stronger 1.3-liter for better acceleration. Front-wheel drive is standard, but the 1.3-liter also offers all-wheel drive with a smooth 9-speed automatic, giving drivers more control and capability when needed. Towing capacity tops out at 1,000 pounds when equipped with the trailering package, enough for bikes or small utility trailers. While the Encore GX isn't built for rugged use, its performance remains confident and predictable for daily commuting and weekend driving. Safety is one area where Buick doesn't compromise. Every trim includes automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and more. The optional advanced technology package adds adaptive cruise control and HD surround vision, giving you features often seen in higher-priced SUVs. If you want a stylish, quiet, and tech-forward small SUV, the 2026 Buick Encore GX remains a strong pick. Tell me, would you choose the Preferred, ST, or the luxurious Avenir? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews.